Hi everyone. In today's class, we are going to see about the tenses. There are three basic types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense in Tamil, நிகழ்காலம். Past tense, இறந்த காலம். Future tense, எதிர்காலம். Tenses are the components that denote time. Present tense, நிகழ்காலம். Present tense is classified into four types. First one is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so these four types are there for all the three basic type of tenses. Like past tense also has got these four types, and future tense also has got these four types of tenses. In today's class, I'm going to explain to you in short what is simple present tense. Simple present tense. Okay, the form of the simple present tense is subject plus V1. Subject is nothing but the noun, any noun. Okay, V1 is nothing but the present form of the verb. Okay, so V1 present tense, V2 past tense, V3 past participle. Okay, so whenever I say V1, it means present tense, present form of the verb. Okay, so take for example, I have taken the verb study. I study, we study, you study, he studies, she studies, it studies, they study. தமிழில் I study, நான் படிக்கிறேன். We study, நாங்கள் படிக்கிறோம். You study, நீங்கள் படிக்கிறீர்கள். He studies, அவன் படிக்கிறான். She studies, அவள் படிக்கிறாள். It studies, அது படிக்கிறது. They study, அவர்கள் படிக்கிறார்கள். In simple present tense, if you notice clearly, only the third person singulars, he, she, it alone takes yes along with the verb. He studies, she studies, it studies, whereas the other nouns will take the verb as it is. Okay, so that is the major change that you will see in the simple present tense. So first think what you want to say in Tamil well. Okay, then translate it in English. Okay, this is actually those who are at the starting level, this will be of great help. Think in Tamil in your brain and then try to translate it in English. For example, நான் சாப்பிடுகிறேன், I eat. Finished. நான் விளையாடுகிறேன், I play. நான் தினமும் காலை 5 மணிக்கு எழுந்திருக்கிறேன், I get up every day at 5 o'clock. So very very simple. So think in Tamil and then try to translate little by little and you will be able to understand it. When to use the simple present tense? Okay, to talk about a regular activity. When you are doing an activity on a regular basis, then you can use the simple present tense to mention that. And then to talk about the universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. And then to narrate a story or an event. Okay, so whenever you want to narrate a story in an interesting way, you can use the simple present tense. So what are the keywords that help us to identify that the sentence is in simple present tense? Okay, every day, every time, always, once in a week, every month, usually, daily. So these are the keywords that help us to identify that the sentence is in simple present tense. Let us see some examples now. Rama kills the snakes always. I sweep my house every day. Once in a month, teachers go for a training session. My mother cooks well always. We run 5 miles every day. In simple present tense, as I told you earlier, third person singles alone will take S along with the verb. So Rama, third person singular, so kills. My mother, third person singular, so cooks. Whereas all the other things will take the normal simple present form of the verb. So here are some exercise for you to solve. So you can use the verbs that are inside the bracket according to the subject, and then you try to fill in and try to do it by yourself, and you'll be able to master it. Thank you. Have a nice day.